folks, this is something I learned out of another channel. See this? That's a round grinding disc. And if you look up the company Pferd, P-F-E-R-D, Preferred, you can find yourself some round grinding discs, which are great for doing, what else? Round corners. So, I think this grinding disc has a shitty cord. Oh wait, I forgot my eyewear. You wear underwear, we all wear eyewear. You can get in the corners. Really good. Makes them nice and round. Probably more like this. Yeah, well, I got in here somewhere, frick. There we go. Ta-da. Grind shit flat, and you can get in the corners. See, you can get right in the corner here, but I don't want to do it that way because I'm blowing sparks in my garage. So, and I'm blowing sparks in again, so oh well. Nice. I'm going to sink a few more welds in here. Just because I don't like the way this looks. And I don't like Bondo. There we go. Ta-da! I don't know if you can see this. Probably not. So I'm gonna do a little more welding here, just to get this going. Welding grind. Well, I'm not exactly the most expert welder, so I might have went off track and not welded it straight. At least I can admit I did something wrong. Me no expert, but hey, that's what welding's for. To enjoy and relax. Or to make a career out of. It's up to you. I prefer chilling like Bob Dylan and welding. Still recording here? Alright. Excuse me. Alright, where's the ground? A couple of spots I want to redo here. Not many. Just a few tiny spots. I don't even know if the welder's going to reach here. Alright, there we go. There we go. There we go. There's that. I don't want it to be very shitty, so like I said, I'm not a perfect welder, so I'd rather get her done. Those look fine. A couple of spots I just didn't really get too well, so I want to get to them. There, ground. There we go. Pull the earpiece out. One day I'm going to burn off this earpiece. Accidentally. This one right here, I missed the whole damn weld. Missed the whole dang thing. Alright, let's see. Did I miss it twice? Probably. No, got it. Got it that time, got it that time. I do not want this thing to fall apart while someone's using it. So, making sure I cover all the bases here. So this thing. Just that. That one actually looks better than the last one. Shit. There we go. I think that's it. I think that's it for now. Turn that off. What is it, a 10-minute video? Probably.